Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Gemini for Workspace automation workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Google Gemini for Workspace automation workflows, begin by navigating to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Google Gemini and hit enter. Locate the Google Gemini app in the search results. Click on the app to open its detailed view. Select the Install button to initiate the installation process. You will be prompted to choose your Google account. Sign in with the account associated with your Google Workspace. Review the permissions requested by Google Gemini. If you agree, click on Allow to grant the necessary permissions. Once installed, open Google Gemini from the Apps menu in your Google Workspace. Next, navigate to the Automation Workflows section within the app. Click on Create New Workflow to start building your automation. Select a trigger event that will initiate the workflow. Configure the trigger settings according to your requirements. After that, choose an action that the workflow will perform. Set up the action parameters as needed. You can also add additional steps by clicking on Add Step. This allows you to enhance your automation with more actions or conditions. Once you're satisfied with the workflow configuration, save your progress. To test your workflow, click on the Test button. Monitor the output to ensure everything is functioning as expected. After confirming the test results, return to the main dashboard. Here, you can activate your workflow for regular use. Make any necessary adjustments as you collect feedback or data. Regularly review and update your workflows to keep them optimized. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and configured Google Gemini for your workspace automation workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.